Extreme macro close-up of a single quail egg. A tiny crack appears on the shell. A small beak pokes through. The shell fragments fall off.
Time-lapse inside the incubator. The racks holding the eggs tilt slowly to 45 degrees, then tilt back. This happens rhythmically to mimic a mother hen.
Chicks of the Leghorn breed passing through a soft mist tunnel. A pink or blue probiotic spray gently covers them. They shake their heads.
Automatic feed lines turning on. Yellow corn feed fills the red plastic pans. Orpington chicks rush towards the pans to eat.
The barn lights slowly dimming to mimic sunset. The Plymouth Rock chickens settle down to sleep. Automated day/night cycle.
A conveyor system moving adult white hens into the laying house. This is where eggs will be produced.
A specialized feeding trolley moving automatically down the aisle, distributing grain evenly to every hen. Mechanical hum.
Underneath the cages, a conveyor belt slowly moving, carrying away waste to keep the barn odorless and clean. Hygiene focus.
The floor is slightly sloped. The fresh egg gently rolls forward, away from the Leghorn hen.
The eggs reaching the end of the row. They gently transfer onto a vertical elevator chain conveyor that carries them down to the main floor.
A fabric belt, jute or plastic, running along the front of the cages.
Hen eggs exiting the washer wet. They pass under high-speed air blowers. Water droplets fly off the shells in slow motion. The shells turn matte and dry.
A dark section of the machine.
rows of eggs spinning over bright red lights. The light shines through the shell.
A fine nozzle spraying a microscopic layer of food-safe oil onto the moving eggs. This seals the pores and gives the eggs a slight satin sheen.
Tiny mechanical hammers gently tapping each egg as it passes. Visual of sound waves. If it sounds dull, it's a crack. If it pings, it's good.
Close-up of the eggs spinning rapidly on rollers over the lights. A high-speed camera takes 20 photos of each egg to find cracks.
Special sensors detecting if an egg is wet or leaking. A mechanical arm instantly kicks the bad egg into a reject bin below.
The belt moving slowly. We see a continuous stream of white eggs traveling down the long aisle. It looks like a white river.
We know millions of eggs are flowing inside it.
Sensors detecting the flow of eggs. Plastic gates opening and closing to prevent jamming. Smart technology.
Inside the washer T, soft rotating brushes and warm water jets gently scrubbing the spinning eggs. They come out sparkling clean.
The eggs moving in neat rows into a stainless steel washing machine tunnel. Steam rising slightly.
Bird's eye view of the accumulator table. It is a sea of white spheres moving forward. Mesmerizing pattern.
A lane filled with smaller hen eggs rolling smoothly. These are usually sent to boiling factories. Assorted eggs gathering on a wide stainless steel table before packaging. They gently bump into each other, waiting for the robot.
time lapse of the truck navigating through busy city traffic at night. City lights streaking like neon lines. The truck arrives at a supermarket unloading bay.
An egg hitting a hot buttered pan. The white sizzles and sets instantly. Satisfying cooking sound visual.